Children, today I will teach you the two important topic of the chapter physical education and sports for the children with special needs. The topic is the meaning of disability and disorder. So, starting with the meaning of disability. Disability is an impairment that may be cognitive, developmental, intellectual, mental, physical, etc. It affects everyday activities of the individual to a considerable amount. It may be present in an individual from birth or occur during one's lifetime. Disability has different meaning in different societies of the world. Disability is an injury that restricts the functions or movement of an individual. So, in the other words, we can tell disability is a functional limitations. What is disability? Disability is a functional limitations or restriction of an individual's ability to perform an activity. Okay? The second topic is disorder. Disorder is usually used for mental disability. What is the meaning? The meaning of disorder is usually used for mental disability. Disorder is the condition that disturbs the health of an individual. Most probably, disorders create hindrance. Disorder create hindrance in an individual's performance and reduce his efficiency. Disorder reduce the efficiency of an individual, means that person is suffering from the disorder. His or her efficiency automatically reduced. In the beginning, disorders seem to be ordinary. In starting time, we will get it. Disorders seem to be ordinary, but they usually grow or spread in a harmful manner in an individual. Most probably, a disorder cannot be detected on time. This is very important. Please listen. Most probably, a disorder cannot be detected on time. As a result of which a simple disorder is changed into a disability. Okay, a simple disorder is changed into a disability, means it may be permanent. Okay, that's all.